Welcome back with a new math tutorial. Our lesson today about solving system of equation by elimination using multiplication. At the first we said solving system of equation, it means find the value of the variable or find the value of the ordered pair which satisfy the equation. Using elimination, it means we need to remove one of the variable to find the value of the other one. To use the elimination, at the first we are looking to the variable that has the same coefficient but with different sign. In this lesson, to solve by using elimination, we'll use multiplication, because you will find that the two variables with different coefficients, like the first one. Use elimination to solve the system of equation. For the first one, 5x plus 6y equals negative 8. 2x plus 3y equals negative 5. If you look at x, you will find 5 and 2. If you look at y, you will find that 6 and 3. They are different, but we can convert one of them to be the other one. Look at the small coefficient, which is 2. Can I multiply 2 by whole number to be 5? No, we can't. But we can multiply 3 by 2 to be 6. So if I multiply it by 2, we will have 6 and the other one will be 6. But we need to make different sign. So we'll multiply it by negative 2. If you have the same sign, multiply one of them by negative to change the sign. Now we have the first one is 5x plus 6y equals to negative 8. But for the second one, you will find that we have 2 times negative 2 equals negative 4x. 3 times negative 2 equals negative 6y. All of that is equals negative 5 times negative 2 equals positive 10. Now they have the same coefficient but with different signs, so we can add them. 5x plus negative 4x equals 1x. Positive 6y plus negative 6y equals 0. Then negative 8 plus 10 equals 2. Now we find the value of x. At one of the four equations, choose any one that you want. Use x equals 2 to find the value of y. Suppose that I will choose the first one. So we can say 5 multiplied by 2 plus 6y equals negative 8. 5 times 2 equals 10 plus 6y equals negative 8. Now I will subtract 10. Then 6y equals to negative 8. Now if you divide by 6, you will find that y is equal to negative 3. So the solution now will be 2 and negative 3. Number 2. 6x minus 2y equals 10. 3x minus 7y equals negative 9. We need to solve by using elimination. To solve by using elimination, we have the same coefficient but with different sign. For x, we have 6 and 3. They are different. For y, we have 2 and 7. They are different. But we can convert 3 to be 6 if you multiply it by 2. If you multiply it by 2, they will have the same sign. So you need to multiply by negative 2 to make different sign. So the first equation will be the same. 6x minus 2y equals 10. And the second one, 3 times negative 2 equals negative 6x. Negative 7y times negative 2 equals positive 14y. Negative 19 times negative 2 equals 38. Now you need to add them. 6x minus 6x equals 0. Negative 2y plus 14y equals 12y. 10 plus 38 equals 48. Now we need to divide by 12 to find the value of y. Then we can say that y equals 4. At one of the two equations, replace y with 4 to find the value of x. Suppose that I will choose the first one. So we have 6x minus 2 multiplied by 4 equals 10. Then 6x minus 8 equals 10. By adding 8, then 6x is equals 80. If you divide by 6, you will find that x is equal to 3. Now we find the value of x and the value of y, so we can say the solution will be 3 and 4. You have to start with x, then end with y. In question number 5, we have 5x minus 3y equals 6. 2x plus 5y equals negative 10. If you look at x, you will find 5 and 2. You can convert one of them to the other. And y, we have negative 3 and 5. You can't convert to be 3 to be 5. Or you can't multiply 3 to be 5. The only way that you can solve, you need to multiply the two coefficients. So the first coefficient here is 5. You need to multiply the second equation by 5. The second coefficient here is 2. You need to multiply the first equation by 2. But now they have the same sign, so multiply one of them by negative to change the sign. Now we have 5 times negative 2 equals negative 10x. Negative 3y times negative 2 equals positive 6y. 6 times negative 2 equals negative 12. 2x times 5 equals 10x. Plus 5y times 5 equals 25y. Equals negative 10 times 5 equals negative 50. By adding the two equations, you will find negative 10 and positive 10x equals 6y and 25y equals 31y. Equals, by adding negative 12 and negative 50 equals negative 62. If you divide both of them by 31, you can find the value of y, which equals negative 2. After finding the value of y, you can use one of the two equations to find the value of x. Suppose that I will choose the first one. So we have here 5x minus 3 multiplied by negative 2 equals 6. Then we can say 5x negative 3 times negative 2 equals positive 6 equals 6. By subtracting 6, then now we have 5x is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 0. After finding the value of x, so we can say that the solution will be 0 and negative 2.